Brooms and dustpans are essential backup tools that handle corners, vents, and quick debris collection in a professional office cleaning business. For office cleaning professionals, a broom and dustpan are not nostalgic extras but targeted instruments for tasks a backpack vacuum cannot reach. Use a medium stiff flagged broom for hard floors to capture fine dust without scratching surfaces, and reserve a soft bristle push broom for wide open areas to move debris efficiently toward a collection point. For vents, baseboards, chair tracks, and the junctions where carpet meets hard floor, sweep with the broom at a low angle so the bristles get under edges and dislodge settled dust. When collecting debris, hold the dustpan at a slight angle and press the lip flat to the floor so small particles do not escape under it. If the dustpan has a rubber edge, use that for a tighter seal. Keep a handheld whisk broom for rapid spot cleanup around desks and under reception counters where pulling out a vacuum would be disruptive. Maintain the broom and dustpan by tapping out bristles over a trash container and wiping the dustpan with a damp cloth after heavy use to prevent residue buildup and cross-contamination. Common mistakes include relying solely on vacuums and missing accumulations in corners and vents, which leaves visible dust and can trigger complaints. Fix this by scheduling a quick sweep of edges and vents during each cleaning cycle. A second issue is using the wrong broom type, which either scatters debris or damages floors. Prevent this by matching broom stiffness to surface and testing on an inconspicuous area before regular use. Third, people often leave dustpans tilted or with gaps that allow small particles to escape. Solve that by training staff to press the dustpan lip flush to the floor and use a handheld brush to sweep debris fully into the pan. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and list practical guidance for maintaining properties, including smart cleaning tool choices for offices. We also host a discussion community where contractors and homeowners exchange tips, post job leads, and solve real-world problems together.